Yes, so in the year 2020, the Ghanaian music industry witnessed a new type of music. Yes, it's new to the Ghanaian music industry. That's the drill music, which was spearheaded by the Asaaka Boys. Okay, guys, welcome back to the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate TV. As I always say, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, so drill music, which was actually new to the Ghanaian music scene, was spearheaded by the Asaaka Boys, which was actually which consists of Yao Tog, J Bad, Kenneth, and the rest. Yeah, so they are, hit song that Sorry actually was everywhere, was played on almost every platform in Ghana. And during the Christmas festivities, that song was used as the jam for the moment. Every party that I went or every program that I went, the DJ has about to play a song on his or her playlist. Yeah, so Stormzy, or let me say British UK rapper Stormzy is in Ghana. He's a Ghanaian and he's in Ghana. I know he's not the only person who's in Ghana. A lot of artists have actually passed through, but then he is in Ghana. Yeah, so he was started partying with the Asaaka Boys, that's our talk, and even did a remix version of the song. And this is a very big booster for the Asaaka Boys. And let's not forget that when they released the song some few months, their song was featured by Billboard, which was a very huge booster for these particular guys. Their career. And I'm hoping that come this year VGM, these guys are going to get some form of nomination also. If probably they can win an award, because guys, they really brought a new wave to the Ghanaian music industry. Okay, guys, watch the video. Someone get to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
America, Miami, funny now. Yeah, me blood niggas. I'm fucking up fraud niggas. But the life living. No life living. That's a part of the living. Can we put up on the make it for some fashion? Can we put up on the make it for some fashion? Can we put up on the make it for some fashion? I don't talk much. I just show action. Can we put up on the make it for some fashion? Give out the mission. Get. Chicago beat me that thing. On them, when we blow on them, basically on them, on them, when we blow on them, basically on them, on them, when we blow on them, basically on them, on them, when we blow on them, basically on them. Yo. Keep it back to the mountain. Keep that on me to the mountain. The living thing can take traffic. Never tell me Obolo. Kumerica Asaaka Boys. On them. When we blow on them, basically on them. Say me back on them. On them. When we blow on them, basically on them. Say me back on them. On them. When we blow on them, basically on them. On them, when we pull up on them, particularly on them, say me back on them, on them, when we pull up on them, say me back on them, on them, when we pull up on them. Looking for big boy, the bad dimension. That's it. Keep that on me. That's Check. Easy. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Hands up. Two, 1, 2, 3. Big Mac on the remix. Just dreaming. Don't mind the words, they don't mean it. If I stop your face, you're gonna feel it. Slide in the middle like greenish. My next hit's bigger than my previous. Red lights looking all greenish. Fake niggas call me blood, I get squeamish. The boys just way too bossy. Double platinum for bossy fans. I'll double platinum, get more for you. I'm a girl for you. Let's go. 1, 2,